Hello everybody, welcome to the Rockin' Crystals channel, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the best crystals that you can find for your garden. Because when spring comes, many people look forward to being in their gardens, especially after a long winter. Even if you don't know much about gardening, it can be pretty easy to get started as long as you stick with plants that are easy to grow and give them adequate water and light. Fertilizers, organic plant foods, and composting can give your plants an extra boost to survive and to thrive. Some of the people like to sing their plants or put statues or gnomes and fairies in gardens, and other such things such as Feng Shui techniques can help to create a good energy in the garden, and you can learn which plants grow best together to create that special sort of synergistic harmony. Now, crystals can also be used as a part of your gardening endeavors. You can use crystals to bring specific energies into your garden and help your plants grow and stay strong. Both plants and crystals come from the earth, so they will work harmoniously together to achieve a certain sort of symbiotic balance. Working with crystals in your garden can also help to activate your energy and intentions and help you to connect with nature in a deeper and more profound way. Think of gardening as a meditation or a spiritual practice where you are mindful and enjoy each motion and movement with the purpose of intention. You can then use just one type of crystal or a variety of crystals depending on your own personal collection and availability. It then works very much like setting up a crystal grid. The following are some of the best crystals to implement into your garden. Green Adventurine is a crystal that helps take pressure and strain off of the environment. It's a protective stone that will help protect plants from the effects of pollution, be it electromagnetic or otherwise. A crystal of prosperity can also help your garden grow abundantly, assisting plants in thriving within their environment. Clear quartz crystal is a wonderful and practical crystal for just about everything. You can program crystal quartz with the intention for a thriving garden, and then watch as it helps to unfold that intention before your eyes. Now, tree agate is a crystal that holds Earth's energy within and brings it safely to a state of stability within your garden. It helps your garden grow with positivity and promotes perseverance. So if your garden isn't in ideal conditions, this would be the perfect crystal to help your garden grow and thrive. Rhyolite is the perfect stone for a succulent garden, such as a cactus or other type of succulent plants. It's a balancing stone that will help the energy of your garden shift into a more harmonious and nurturing state. Green calcite is a stone that holds the energy of fertility, and it's a perfect stone for balance within a garden. It also has an energy that is very encouraging, helping your plants to grow strong and bountiful. Moss agate, known as the gardener's talisman, since it is a stone of birth and fertility. This agate is is green like the plants of the earth, so it can help to stimulate the production of plants and maintain their steady growth. Use one or more of these crystals in your garden or even in your houseplants to see them grow hearty and strong. You can also make crystal grids within your garden pots or within your garden area to activate even more powerful energy that will bring abundance and a lush garden for you to enjoy all season long. Consider dropping a like on this video if you liked it. It really helps this channel to grow, and subscribe if you're interested in learning more about crystals, because we are going to be talking about different crystals every single day. And if you're looking to buy crystals and gemstones, check out our Rockin' Crystal shop, linked in the description below. It definitely helps to support this channel when you shop for crystals at our shop. And lastly, we are doing the crystal giveaway from our Rockin' Crystal shop every time we upload a new video. you are allowed to enter into our crystal giveaway contest. All you need to do is leave a comment and let us know what you love about crystals. Also, be subscribed to this channel, and we will choose for every single video that we upload a random winner from our commenters to receive a lovely prize from our Rockin' Crystal shop. You may enter into as many contests as you want. Every single video is a new contest, and I hope to see everybody in the next video.